Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro. Killer car, guys. Prettiest one I've ever laid my eyes on. This car is gorgeous. It is a two-time Camaro Nationals winner. Complete body-up restoration. Stunning paint, guys. Whoever painted this car, it is gorgeous. This is the original color combination, the white, but it's got a little pearl in it. It really pops in the sunshine. I wish we had some sun. And then it's got the factory Carmine red vinyl interior. Ton of paperwork for this car, ton of history with this car. The only thing I don't think is correct, I think the Z28 striping from the factory was actually the Carmine red, and they put the gold, which I love. I think it's beautiful. BF Goodrich Radial TA tires all the way around it with the factory aluminum wheels. And I'm telling you, stunning, stunning car, man. When you walk around this thing, you can just see how nice this car is. Still has the original T3 headlights in it. And I guess this guy, when he restored this car, was I think he said he was an engineer. And they said he was so picky about this car. He drove, I think they said 12 hours to get the new taillights for this car. He didn't trust the mail to ship it to him. Look how nice that car is though, man. Just gorgeous. Love this color combination, man. Just pretty. I mean, look everywhere. This car is just slick. It is a true Z. Again, there's a ton of documentation with the car. I've got a couple of contact numbers. Matter of fact, I've got some phone calls into some previous owners. Yeah, look how nice these are. I guess there's a couple. As soon as I posted I bought the car, two different people reached out to me that I guess either owned the car or had something to do with the restoration on the car. So I'll probably have some more info by the time I get this done. Love the wheels on it. Again, just the prettiest color combo, man. I think this car is gorgeous. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. They've upgraded the cam. It's got a Lunati cam in it. It's got Eibach springs on it, so they've lowered it down just a little bit. Killer, killer car. Look how nice the wheels are. That car is just stunning, man. 350 cubic inch engine, automatic trans. They've done some bolt-on upgrades. Got a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. Does have headers. Like I said, they put a Lunati cam in it. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air. It's actually got cruise control. They don't actually have it hooked up. There's a second plug-in there for the cruise underneath it. HEI distributor. You can see the chrome air cleaner and the Edelbrock valve covers. I'm sure all the stock stuff we have, there's a big box of stuff that goes with it. I think the little light is popped out there, the little plug. I'll have to check that. So it's hanging down underneath the hood. Look at those wheels, man. They are beautiful. I mean, everywhere you look, this car's just slick, man. This is a remote mirror. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Pretty car right there. There's your door tag. You can see how nice the door seams are. Love that white with red. Tilt. Factory bucket seats, console. Again, it's got the tilt wheel, the correct Z28 steering wheel. Look how nice that interior is. Headliner's beautiful. 87,507 on your odometer. Factory tach and gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Look how nice that dash is. Airworks. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a. It's got the stock rear end in a 10-bolt rear end with, I think it's a 342. It's got the F41 Performance suspension on it with the sway bar. And again, just a ton of paperwork. Original brochures, build sheet. Oh, I forgot about that. The name is Penny. There's a story behind why he named it Penny. Found a 79 penny in this car. All your original owner's manuals, your warranty card. There's some receipts for the restoration. There's some photos. Again, I've got a big box sitting next to my office in there that goes with the car, with also a plaque when you're showing it. You can see it's got the space saver spare with the canister. I forgot about it. This car is called Penny. Pretty stock underneath. It's clean. It's solid. They didn't overdo it underneath. Definitely something you can drive. And again, it rides and drives just as sweet as can be. Look how nice the door pads are. This is the desk, guys. I love this red interior, man. How nice that steering wheel is. Got the little marks on your center console. Again, just a little cam to it. You can see he's got the air works. All your choke works, all that stuff is all hooked up. You see, the only thing I know that does not work is that cruise control. Gauges are functional. Look how nice those doors close. And you know these doors are big old heavy doors, man. Backup lights work. What a baby doll, man. Blower motor works. Does the radio work? Didn't come on? Okay. Oh, there's a remote under there for it. I'm not a radio guy. I'll be the first to tell you that. If you've watched my videos, you've heard me say that. I don't even turn the radio on in the car. Oh, we got a headlight out. I'll check that. It's probably just a connection. Yeah, we got a headlight out. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can keep track of all my new videos.